This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the network link now. Make sure the router is powered and the SSID is visible. This reduces guesswork. On the TV, open Settings and go to Network or Connections. That's where the list appears. Once the network list shows, highlight your SSID. If you don't see it, choose Scan or Refresh to force a new search. Make sure you have the Wi-Fi password ready. Entering it correctly first saves time and avoids extra retries. You'll now pick the right network and authenticate. Select your SSID, choose 5 GHz for faster streaming or 4 GHz if your TV is farther away. That choice impacts performance. Next, enter the Wi-Fi password with the on-screen keyboard. Take your time, because one wrong character blocks access. If the TV asks about IP settings, leave it on DHCP unless you need a static IP. Accept any security prompts or certificates. To complete, finish by verifying the link. Open YouTube or a streaming app and play a short clip, or run the TV's network test in Settings. Once done, the TV stores the credentials so it reconnects automatically. If it doesn't connect, reboot the router and TV, power off, wait 30 seconds, then power on because many problems clear with a simple cycle. If issues persist, check for MAC filtering, hidden SSID, or weak signal as the next targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.